In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix an iPhone that won't charge. This issue can be really frustrating, especially if your iPhone is completely out of battery or showing a black screen. First, check the charging cable. Make sure it's in good condition, no loose connections, bends, or worn out wires. If possible, try using a different cable, adapter, and outlet. If you don't have another adapter, you can also try charging it from a computer. Test different combinations to see if the problem is fixed. If that does not work, check your iPhone's charging port. Over time, dust, lint, or debris can build up, preventing the charging connectors from working properly. Use a soft brush to gently clean it out, but be careful not to damage your phone. If your iPhone is showing a black screen even after charging, try performing a forced restart. To do this, press the volume up button followed by the volume down button and then hold the power button until Apple logo appears. Once your phone restarts, try charging it again. Hopefully this will solve the issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.